Okay, here we go. Let's try this TikTok thing.
See right now, I need you, I'll meet you somewhere now. You up now, I see you, I get you. Take care now, slow down, be cool, I miss you. Come here now, it's yours now. Keep it, I'll hold on until now. I need you right now. Once I leave you, I'm strung out. If I get you, I'm slowly breaking down. And no, it's hard to see you, but I wish you were right here. Oh, it's hard to leave you when I get you everywhere. All this time I'm thinking we could never be a pair. Oh no, I don't need you, but I miss you, come here. And oh, it's hard to see you, but I wish you were right here. Oh, it's hard to leave you when I get you everywhere. All this time I'm thinking I'm strong enough to sink it. Oh no, I don't need you, but I miss you, come here. He love me now, he loves me. He holds me tight, then lets me go. He love me now, he loves me. He holds me tight, then lets me go. Soon as you leave me, we always lose connection. It's getting messy, I feel it.
All right, y'all, get ready for this. Gonna nail this TikTok challenge. Here we go. Shoulders up, arms out, expand the chest. All right, here we go. Shoulder width apart, knees bent, arms up, chest out, and lean. All right, now we transition to the left side tap sequence. Weight shifts, left foot out, hip drops, right foot forward, chest opens, left foot taps again.
Ricky was a young boy.
If y'all want to mosey back on over next week, I'll be covering the Rowe's most epic lyrical masterpiece,